Very good evening. And another little thing that came from China. Seems like everything comes from China these days. I actually bought a few of these, and I thought I'd just get one out the packet. What they are basically little laser diodes, and they're meant to go on the back of your car, pointing sort of down and behind, so that every time you hit your brake lights, or if you wire them up to your fog lights, they stay on permanently. But every time you hit your brake lights, they produce a pattern on the road for everybody to see. Now, how effective that would be as a safety thing, I've got no idea. In fog, I could see it being quite unusual, and people would probably take notice of a strange sort of beam of light coming from the back of a whatever it is. They obviously wouldn't know what it was. They market them for motorcycles and cars. So what I'm going to do is let's just get the power supply, throw some voltage on. Yep, it's at 13 volts, so that's good enough. And I'll just connect it up. Not going to do too much. Right, I don't know what you can see. Now this one is producing a spiral pattern of dots. What I'm going to do is, if I just turn those lights off, you should be able to see that on camera a little bit better. And yeah, you get that sort of pattern on the road behind you. The other ones I've got, one is just straightforward dots. Let's go back to lighting the bench properly. And the other one is Cupid hearts, of all things. Again, very cheap. I think they were £1 each, something like that. So, you know, it's one of those things. They're just a little, you know, little cheap laser diode. I would imagine in this box, and I don't know how, are these ultrasonically welded? Nope, they're not. Yeah, there's the little voltage converter circuit. Now they use a bridge rectifier as well as a little MOSFET there to work as a regulator by the looks of it. So yeah, obviously to bring your 13.8 14 volts on full power down to 5 volts or so for your laser diode, constant current. So yeah, you know, a simple little device. Looking at this, I would say you'd need to improve the water protection. If I can just unclip that with my fingers, then water will definitely get in if you're not careful. That just, you know, pushes together. So yeah, it comes with a sticky pad, a little plastic bracket, and some screws so that you can adjust the angle. Yeah, cheap little laser, what can I say? Thanks very much for watching. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.